Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Right now I'm going to show you how to get more columns in Google Sheets. Okay, first of all, you have to prepare your file in your Google Sheets. And then if you want to get more column on your table, for example, I want to add more column between the discount column right here and total column right here. The first step I should do is I have to select this column like this, and then we can click the symbol on the top of our screen, like plus symbol, click, and then insert one column right, or it's up to you actually according to your condition, but right here I want to add the column between discount and total, so I'm choosing insert one column right. Click. Okay, and now we got more column, and that's the tutorial from me, guys, and try to practice by yourself, and see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.